Alright, so in the last video we saw how do you go ahead and change your LinkedIn URL or how to get your LinkedIn customized URL. In this particular video, I'm going to share certain notes with you guys about your custom LinkedIn URL for basically it's a LinkedIn tips that's going to help you in terms of getting your URL. Please note that the custom URL of LinkedIn is available on the first come first serve basis, meaning if you go ahead and want to go ahead and change, if you want to go ahead and select a particular URL and if it's not available, you cannot go ahead and make a request to LinkedIn, especially for that URL that, hey LinkedIn, I'm looking for this particular URL. Can you make it available for you? Can you make it available for me? No, it doesn't work that way. You will have to go ahead and change it. You will have to go ahead with another URL. And please, after making the changes, do not forget to go ahead and lock it or save it. Because if you do not lock it, some other person is going to take that particular URL. The other point I have is your custom URL is basically going to have 5 to 30 letters or numbers. It cannot or do not use spaces, symbols, or special characters in that. There are two reasons because of which it is not going to work out. A, no one remembers numbers. For instance, if I go ahead and make it www.linkedin.com/thebearded02geek, no one remembers the numbers. Plus, it is going to hamper it as per the SEO part of it. No one searches for the bearded 02 geek. No, I'm sorry. So yeah, basically do not use any spaces, symbols, or special characters in your LinkedIn customized URL. What I would recommend to go ahead and do is you can go ahead and make a variation of your name or your brand name or your professional name or something like that. Since you will be able to, since you will be going ahead and sharing this particular URL with a lot of HRs and companies, and nowadays actually HRs would rather go for your LinkedIn URL rather than your resume or something. So it's basically a good gauge or a good factor to just share www.linkedin.com, linkedin.com/thebeardedgeek. It just gives a good thing altogether. And the HRs, they do not actually, they are not technically all this, they do not understand all this technicality. So it's basically going to give you a good first impression, first hand basis. And the next thing that I have is the customizable part of your URL is in case insensitive. What that means is if you want to go ahead and add it as, let's say, www.linkedin.com/Mayur M capital Pawar P capital, it is not going to make any difference. It's always going to show the any particular user as M small P small. So it is basically case insensitive. Even if you go ahead and add some random jumbling caps and small letters, it's not going to work that way. So make sure you go ahead and select it as per that. If the URL you want isn't available, please, again I'm saying, go ahead with the other one. There is no way you can, because I got this particular question on Quora, and no, there is no way you can go ahead and request a custom URL for a specific profile from LinkedIn. If it is not available, it is not available, honey. Anyway, if the next thing that I have is you can go ahead and change your LinkedIn customized URL up to 5 times in 180 days. Once you have changed your LinkedIn profile, I don't know who is going to be that uncertain to go ahead and make the changes in for 5th time in 180 days. 180 days becomes like 6 months ka time period. 90 is 30, yeah, but 180 becomes like 6 months ka time period anyway. But in this 180 days period, LinkedIn is giving you an option for making the changes or changing your URL for 5 times. I would say please do not go for the 5-time changes. Just select on one, decide on one particular URL, and you're good to go about it. Changing your URL several times is actually going to make harder for people to find you. Let's say, for instance, if I made a change today, www.linkedin.com/thebeardedgeek, and for some reason I want to go ahead and make some changes the next day or the very next to next day, and let's suppose I have shared that particular URL with some HR or some person altogether, that person is not gonna be able to find my profile. The moment they receive on my the moment they come on my LinkedIn profile, it's gonna say profile not found or user not found. If the member uses a particular URL then changes it, the URL will remain unavailable for the next 180 days. What that means is basically if I go ahead and make the changes of my LinkedIn profile URL as www.linkedin.com/thebeardedgeek, and then I go ahead and plan to change it like after 2 days, the bearded geek is gonna get locked for the next 180 days, which means no other person or no other user on LinkedIn can go ahead and claim the bearded geek for the next 180 days. Anyway, so these were certain notes that I wanted to share with you guys in order for understanding the base of it. So before making the changes to your LinkedIn customized URL, please go ahead and jot these things on, or just remember, have these things point in your head. Anyway, so these were the LinkedIn marketing tips. These were the LinkedIn tips that I had for you guys. Let me know in the comment section if you found it helpful. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, I don't know what are you waiting for. I'll be back with another hack for you guys. Till then, keep watching the channel and keep geeking.